What this guy, bro? हेलो गाइस, आज बहुत सुहाना मौसम है। ये हमारी जेनिथ और मस्त सा आसमान। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का व्लॉग इधर से ही। तो आज बहुत मस्त सी सुबह है। देखते हैं आज कैसा जाता है दिन। मेरी जेनिथ रेडी है, मैं रेडी हूँ फॉर द राइड। बच्चे थोड़ा सा साइड दे दो बस, थैंक यू। लेट्स गो जेनिथ। ये काका पूरी ही मेरी लेन में आके चला रहे थे, मतलब चला तो नहीं रहे थे बट टर्न ले रहे थे। ये देखो आंटी को, एकदम अलग अलग नशे वाले लोग हैं इधर। आंटी चला रही है इस तरह। काका इज रिकॉर्डिंग एनएफएस। इंडिकेटर के साथ अंकल चलते हुए। ये देखो अंकल मस्त इंडिकेटर देके जा रहे हैं। और जेनिथ, गुड मॉर्निंग बेबी। आज सुबह सुबह मस्त जेनिथ को साफ किया। उप्स, अभी इस सीन हो जाता। ग्लव्स रखे तो सही नीचे बट पहने नहीं। गिर जाता तो ढूंढने निकलना पड़ता गाइस। हालत खराब। ओह, दैट वाज रिस्की। मैं ग्लव्स पहनते पहनते टर्न ले रहा था, ये गलत बात है। कुछ भी हो सकता था। देखो गाइस, कितनी मस्त सुबह हो रखी है। अंकल स्टिल इंडिकेटर देके जा रहे हैं। अंकल इन क्रेजी मूड। गुड मॉर्निंग बेब। क्लच ले शिफ्ट। मस्त मस्त चीज़ें देखने मिलेंगी आज, ऐसा फील आ रहा है। मौसम बड़ा सुहाना हो रहा है आज। कल बारिश हुई थी यहाँ पे बड़ोड़ा में, तो आज थोड़ा मौसम ठंडा ठंडा है, वरना गर्मी बहुत है गाइस। हालत ख़राब हो जाती है निकलने में तो। और बस वाले भैया को भी कट कट करके निकालनी पड़ रही है। थैंक यू बस वाले भैया। इसका बेल्ट लगाना है बस। ऊप्स। आ, ओह हो, बहुत भयंकर ट्रैफिक है। जब से गेंडा सर्कल पे सिग्नल लगे हैं, इधर का सुबह का और शाम का ट्रैफिक बहुत हैक्टिक रहता है। स्विगी वाले भैया, कोई भी कहीं भी भाई, लाइफ इज सुपर वियर्ड मैन। मैं शूट स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ 9:19 पे, और अराउंड 9:29, 5:25 हो रहा है। एंड मेरे को मेरे दोस्त को बस स्टैंड छोड़ने जाना है ऑन 10 o'clock। आई डोंट नो कि आधे घंटे में, आधा घंटा भी नहीं है मेरे पास। आई जस्ट हैव लाइक 15 minutes, 25 minutes टू शूट समथिंग। कंटेंट के लिए मेरे पास खाली 25 मिनट हैं गाइस। आर्मी वाले सर की गाड़ी है, ज़रा सी आसपास भी नहीं रह सकते। मतलब ऑब्वियसली वी कैन स्टे आसपास, बस अड़ा नहीं सकते। नॉर्मल गाड़ी से ज़्यादा बड़ा पॉइंट आ जाएगा। आर्मी वाले थोड़ा सा खींचते हैं जेनिथ को मॉर्निंग स्ट्रेच देते हैं. Morning lights in this weather just feels amazing. Like Duke without helmet, chappal में, crazy people man. इनकी वजह से इतनी अच्छी अच्छी गाड़ियाँ बदनाम हो रखी हैं छपरी के नाम से. वरना ड्यूक इज बहुत लवली बाइक. यू कैन टेक इट टू एडवेंचर्स. लाइक आप लद्दाख, लेह लद्दाख भी लेके जा सकते हो. बहुत लोग गए हैं. ऑब्वियसली आई डोंट ओन दैट बाइक, but I have seen a lot of people taking that bike to Leh Ladakh and these kind of adventurous trips. And this guy is not having his side mirror, like legit, है ही नहीं. And this guy is coming between. That guy from the eco was nodding me and I was nodding him. या आ जाओ भैया, आ जाओ आ जाओ, आगे आ जाओ. इतना कष्ट भी क्यों ले रहे हो वहां तक रुकने का. Like the audacity of this people coming in between the lane, the running lane is amazing. Like, how could these people even think of this? Like, एक running lane में, let's go between. Like, these people are built different. Amazing. I don't know these electric vehicles are even worth it or not. क्योंकि जहाँ तक मैंने रिव्यूज देखे इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ी के, इट्स लाइक ज़्यादातर रिव्यूज में बैटरी का इशू, हीटअप हो जाना, लाइक नॉट हीटअप हो जाना बट जल जाना. सो आई डोंट नो इज इट वर्थ इट और नॉट. लाइक ओला के कितने केसेस हैं ऑनलाइन कि ओला की बैटरी जल गई, फिर उसका बीएमएस जल गया. आई डोंट नो इज इट वर्थ बाइंग दैट व्हीकल और नॉट. आ जाओ भैया, आ जाओ. N150 crazy bike. I love these bikes, but you know, हर इंसान अमीर नहीं होता. No, not everyone can afford these bikes. Yeah, everyone dreams of that bike, but not everyone can afford those bikes. Because not everyone is blessed with money since they are born. Yeah, some people achieve that thing. Yeah. भैया इतने अच्छे सेंटेंस के बीच में सीधा. Yes, they are doing a great job. They drive like कल ही उनके पापा ने यहाँ पे रोड बनवाई हो. Red light guys, should I squeeze through? Let's try. Bad idea. It was a very bad idea squeezing through. By the way, which song do you guys prefer while riding motorcycle, or do you prefer silent riding, like without earphones, nothing, no nothing? Do you prefer that, or do you prefer riding it with earphones plugged in, or if you have a intercom, then that's a whole different thing. But what do you prefer, like a silent ride or a ride with sound? And if you do prefer it with a song ride, then which song do you prefer? Like what kind of songs? I would like some suggestions, cause I like riding with the sound and songs. and the songs completely depend on my mood. Like if I am happy, then I would prefer some beat songs, Punjabi songs, or crazy raps. But if I am in a okayish mood, not so sad, not so good, then I would prefer funk, cause that gives a rush, adrenaline rush, and it feels great to ride while listening to that song. That just feels amazing. There's a time when you're riding like this, when you're calmly riding, is just there's a moment where you want to like just rush off the bike, and I love that kind of movement. That's just a crazy moment. FZX, also a great bike here. I love this. Like Yamaha की almost सारी bikes पसंद है मेरे को. Yamaha makes some crazy machines. Like अभी Aerox बनाई. Aerox is 155 cc on a scooty, bro. They are doing some crazy level shit. Okay. Cool down, Adi. Cool down. Obviously, इतनी गर्मी में you don't want to stay on a signal with your visor closed, जहाँ पे आपका चेहरा it, it's like बहुत गर्मी गर्मी सी हो जाती है. That kid was. I feel happy when I see this stuff. People watching me, like not like that fan wala thing, but they're watching because even they dream of, yeah, they see of stuff like this. Even they want to try this, but some or other thing stops them. At least I'm lucky to have a helmet, to have a bike, have a phone, have these accessories in short. But the other peoples are also cannot even get their own bike or their helmet. Like there are different things which matters. People, some people are crying for their. They are doing everything they can, but they cannot even afford a bike or something. Obviously, it's not their fault. Life is different. Life is weird, shitty. But also, life sometimes gets amazing thing. Should I squeeze through? Sorry, guys. But this guy, bro, he cannot make his car go from stop to go, bro. What the heck? And see, these dumb people, they are just standing in. What should what should I say about them? No one can say. There's no point saying anything to them. Like ये लोग क्या करते हैं? I don't know. Either stand behind the line or just break the signal. But don't be a problem to other people who are following traffic rules. Like why are you becoming a problem to them? I don't know. These people are just different. Sorry. Oh, Access is also a great Scooty. Scooty. Shoddy. मेरा मेरे पास सिर थल्ले गुमदा मैं पल जिथे भी जावा हुन मेरे ओह see that truck driver he's coming see he's just going at an amazing speed he's riding like shit oops sorry मेरी बहन अचानक से मेरे सामने आ गई नो ऑफेंस टू माय सिस्टर बट मेरी बहन अचानक से मेरे सामने आ गई ओ it went 98 or 99 on fourth gear bro भाई आज माहौल ऐसा हो रहा है कि आज मस्त बारिश गिरेगी ओए 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 that was a risky one I should not do that with upcoming cars a car coming to an intersection oh sorry coming from an intersection to the main route oh so अब पुलिस वाले भी रॉन्ग साइड आ सकते हैं ओके हाँ जब पुलिस वाले आ सकते हैं तो आई कैन सिविलियन oh again a policeman I was about to overtake from that side and then that came and then they fine civilians for coming to wrong side great work sir army man just love army people I'm not getting why the traffic is there like highway के सर्विस रोड पे इतना ट्रैफिक क्यों I don't get this random shit happening in Baroda I don't know how it's getting hot oh there we see at last after like 15-20 minutes the traffic has started I don't know why नहीं I guess 15-20 minutes तो नहीं but yeah 5-10 मिनट से हम यहीं पे थे this is service road of the highway bro wow you wanna see some interesting thing guys watch this I don't think so this belongs to here this belongs to on top right or am I the stupid one हेलो अंकल आ गया द लक इज ऑन टुडे इज कि आज क्योंकि सूरज नहीं है like there's no sun obviously there's a sun but there's not sunlight डायरेक्ट सनलाइट नहीं है तो द बेनिफिट ऑफ थिंग इज कि गर्मी कम लगेगी एंड द मोस्ट द ग्रेटेस्ट बेनिफिट इज फ़ोन हीट नहीं होगा सो रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन स्टॉप बाय ओवर हीटिंग दैट्स द ग्रेटेस्ट बेनिफिट And I guess the best relief to a content or the motor vlogger, the best relief to a motor vlogger is no sunlight or less sunlight, which at least does not overheat your device. Whatever it is, your camera, your mobile phone, whatever. I don't know, do you guys changes lane with the indicators or not, but I do that. Not because I'm that guy who follows every rule and shit, but it's just एक habit बन गई है. Whenever I change my lane, I give indicator unintentionally, obviously. वो एक habit की वजह से अपने आप हो जाता है. I guess it's a good habit. Yeah, it's a good habit. Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. You want to move from first lane to the last lane by just giving an indicator. Sure. That too, sudden. Oof. How lucky I can be. The moment I crossed, they stopped the traffic. बस इतना लकी होना है जिंदगी में. Hello, Dadaji. A bunch of Dadajis. Oh my god. I guess इस ब्रिज पे रूल है no standing. Yes, see this. No stopping or standing. And I saw two people behind with who are stopping and standing. खैर एक की I guess one's bike was off or something. But one lady, one Didi, was just standing for no reason. Okay, I am giving indicator and watching back. And I took from first lane to last lane from the very first of the turning. Okay. The moment I get down the bridge, I change my lane. Okay. So no one will blame me that you are doing the same thing. You can do that, changing from the first most lane to the last most lane. You can do that, but safely. You should do that with the safety of others too. You should not compromise others' safety with that. That's my point. And he was compromising our safety for his benefit. That's my point. He shouldn't do that. डर गए. तुम डर गए. मैं. हाँ. तुम जाओ तुम जाओ. ओ माय गॉड, इस बस में. तो ये बस अभी से क्यों खड़ी है? ये बस अभी से क्यों खड़ी है? 11:15 को डालने देंगे? अभी नहीं डाल सकते. अलाउड नहीं है अभी डालना. पूछ ले डाल सकते हैं कि नहीं. ડેકી નહીં, લગેજ બોક્સ હોય, લગેજ બોક્સ. ડેકી ના હોય આમાં. એવું. ઉભર તો ગાડી પાછળ લગાવી દેવા દે. So there are some few things I changed in my bike. That is, one is this stickers of my channel, and one this side of my Instagram handle. Do follow these. And ये फ़ोन स्टैंड मैंने आई गेस नकल गार्ड्स के साथ लगवाया था. So I have this phone stand here which have a charging socket in it, these knuckle guards, and this visor extend dish, I mean, I extended the visor. Also, I changed my sidelights. ये थोड़ी सी टूट गई after being in an accident. Yeah, I will surely change it shortly. And yeah, these hazard, like, that have 21 modes in it. I would prefer this one, the basic one, I guess. This one. It feels like this. See, this happens to this side, like, I don't know. And this blinks so light because it does not have this. I am planning to just take this two out, and this is the back look of my bike. Even this, maybe it also got bent somewhat in that accident, but the all over bike is currently good and good to go. सॉरी भैया आपका रास्ता रोकने के लिए. Sorry, but that guy just, ये लोग पीछे क्यों नहीं देखते हैं? इन लोग को क्या लगता है इनके लिए लोग सड़क छोड़ के बैठे हैं? These guys don't even look back. RC 390, crazy and powerful bike. I don't really remember कि इसमें वो एग्जॉस्ट आता है या नहीं, but okay, never mind. I guess this was the last turn. Now there will be no dividers. Now I have to go till the circle and take a U-turn to go and pick up my brother. Great work. Again a N160. These are dream for many people, bro. Not everyone is having those bikes, those high powered, those sporty looking, those sexy looking bikes. But Zenith, you are my love, okay? I don't say कि मेरे को तू नहीं चाहिए वो चाहिए. तू तो है ही. तू तो है ही मेरी सेक्सो. But I want to feel those bikes. I want to ride those bikes. I want to own some of them. And my darling, even you want me to buy those. Even you want me to succeed.